at Clem. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Hall County in north-central Georgia, southern White County in northeastern Georgia, until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. At 6:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the public reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: public reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cleveland, Claremont, Mossy Creek and Leaf. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. At 6 p.m. in Gainesville, it